Hello everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Scooters Direct. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to find the right product that you're looking for, whether it's a mobility scooter, a power wheelchair, vehicle lift, a lift chair, or even parts or accessories. We have a very easy to use navigation on our website. When you go to any page on our website, along the top you're going to see this big blue bar, and it has the 5 primary categories, starting with mobility scooters, which we'll dive into first as an example. If you're shopping for a mobility scooter, you can go here to this blue bar that says mobility scooters and either click right on the link that says mobility scooters, or if you want to really drill down your search and only focus on a subcategory like folding mobility scooters or heavy-duty mobility scooters, you can choose from the drop-down options below. You can also choose the Shop by Brand section to see a list of the brands that we carry, and then start to sort your options by brand. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and click on the main mobility scooters category, and here it's going to take us to the main mobility scooters category page. As you can see at the top, we actually have the 4 main subcategories that fall under mobility scooters to choose from if you'd like. So you can drill down into the folding, the heavy duty, or the lightweight travel, kind of like how you see here as the subcategory options appear from the main drop down. So same concept, but now you also have below these 4 main category pictures. To view all of those, you can skip down below that and start to look at some of the top selling scooters. These are going to be a wide range of scooters, including heavy duty, lightweight, folding. All of them are going to appear here because this is the main category page for mobility scooters. Now you can use the filter options on the right to sort through only mobility scooters that go 9 miles per hour or above by using the maximum speed filter option, or you can close that and use the price range filter option to find scooters that are between $600 and $899, for example. And I'm just going to show you what happens if you click here. We're going to click on the $600 to $899 price range, and it's sorted all the products so that we only see products within that price range now. So, as you can imagine, this is a very useful tool when shopping for a mobility scooter. You can not only sort by price range, you can sort by max speed as well. If you want to get something that's a little bit faster but also affordable, you can add the 9 mile plus or the 9+ mile per hour filter option. There's only 2, but if you apply that secondary filter, you can see it shows up here. We have the price range filter and the speed filter, and we can see that there's really only 2 products within that price range that go above 9 miles per hour, and that's what you see here, the Zoomy 3-wheel and the EW18. So that's how the filter options work on the right hand side. You also have a few other things. I'm just going to clear these filter options here, and when we clear them, we hit the little X there and it gets rid of them. But what we can also do is sort our products by price, and that's going to basically allow us to have the most expensive first by default, but then if you hit that arrow, it'll sort it by the least expensive, and as you scroll down, the more expensive items will start to appear. So you have sorting options here, we have filter options on the right, we have plenty of filter options including brand, we have seat width filter options, length and width filter options, so we can really drill down and to find a scooter that's the perfect fit for you or your customer, or for that loved one that you're looking to buy a mobility scooter for. Again, we can do this on any of the categories. So for example, if you're looking for a lift chair, you can click on the lift chair category here, and the 4 main categories, 2-position lift chairs, 3-position lift chairs, infinite position lift chairs, and 0 gravity position lift chairs appear here. But you also have those same options if you just hover over lift chairs, and you can choose those same options right here. The same concept applies. As you go below, you can sort by price, you can view all of the lift chairs, and as you scroll down towards the bottom, you can find that there are several additional pages that you can go through, or click show 30 results per page as the maximum, so you don't have to scroll through so many pages. As you start scrolling down below the products, you're going to find content and video information that's useful about the category or subcategory page that you're on. And we have this left side navigation with the filter options, just like we had on the mobility scooters category page. So you can sort through the lift chairs using the applicable lift chair filter options here. The same thing happens when you go to our parts department, for example. Under more, we have accessories and batteries. So if you click on batteries, we have the main categories for batteries, ranging from sealed lead acid batteries, lithium batteries, battery chargers, battery cases, and we have the filter options here as well. So when you use our filter options on our website, it makes it very easy to find the product that you're looking for, like we said earlier. And a couple of things about our actual products. When they show up here, you're going to have the title, the model number, the brand, and a couple of specs. But you can also click on the picture or the title or the customize and buy link, and it will take you to a page that shows you all of that information about the product, including pictures, videos, color options, and all the custom options, including the seat size, the battery type, the upgrades for the warranties, any accessories. We have the specifications tab, the warranty tab that tells you about the warranty, and all of these products on our website will have the same layout. In other words, it doesn't matter if you're on the Afficam Scooter C3 or any other product. You're always going to have the pictures here on the left, the price here at the top, the custom options on the right, and in the description tab, you're always going to have a description about the product with some videos, and towards the bottom, there's always going to be a link to find the user manual and brochure. The brochure and the user manual are very useful documents that teach you how to use the scooter, and it teaches you all of the specifications, and it gives you a nice document that you can print or send to your customer to print at home. And these are the most common resources that you're going to want to find quickly on our product page for any product. Again, you have the pictures, and then on the description tab towards the bottom, you're going to see the user manuals and the brochures on every single product. So I'll give you an example. If we go to the power wheelchair section and click on any of the power wheelchairs, again, you have the pictures here, the price, the name at the top. You have the color options here on the right, the battery options, the warranty options, and on the description tab, you'll see that towards the bottom we have the user manual, the brochure, and you can click to view or download these documents. So keep that in mind if you need to find information about these products. It's very easy to do so as long as you know where the information is located. So if you're doing research and you want to find specifications, you just go right here on the specifications tab underneath the image gallery. If you want to find the description to find the user manual, you click on the description tab underneath the photo gallery, and you'll find all of that information on every single product. So that's how you're going to use our website to find the product that you're looking for. I hope this short tutorial has been helpful, and like always, you can reach out to our sales department or our sales team members for additional help. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Sergio.